I'm gonna sneeze. Oh my god. Just about to go to bed. Oh. It's really, really bad weather outside. Oh. Really, really bad weather. How can I stop this? Really bad weather outside. There's a storm. There's a storm brewing. So I thought, quickly I better shut everything down, go to bed. And I started to sneeze. Maybe it's the weather, I don't know, but the pressure, it's winter time. And it's been pretty mild until now, considering it's winter. But there's a storm coming tomorrow, our first one of the year. Maybe that's what's causing it, I don't know. Oh dear. And again, I've got a lot more videos to post that I've posted over that I've made over Christmas, but I haven't posted yet. Has it finished? I hope so. This is about my 5th one today as well. Yeah, where I am now is the extension. It's like the back of the house, so I'm just making sure all the doors are shut and everything. And that if the cats come in, they can get through the cat door, that there's food ready for them. There's one inside sleeping, and I think one is outside still. Because they've been locked up for the last few days because of New Year and the fireworks and everything. And it's pretty mild outside, so one is still out. I'm sure he will come back in when he's ready. He's castrated, so he won't go very far. Oh well. Anyway, folks, I think it's finished, and it's now the 2nd of January. Happy New Year to everybody, to all my viewers and subscribers, and I wish you all a healthy and happy New Year. And keep your chin up, because every time there's a down, there's always an up, and it's always a lesson learned. Love you all, folks. Bye.